Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your TikTok region. Using a VPN to change your location can be hit or miss, but it is a great technique that works most of the time. You can sign up for Secure VPN or find another solution. You'll also need to download the app. If you want to try your hand at using a VPN on TikTok, follow this video. Launch the Secure VPN app, then tap on Connected. Now tap on this and select Location. Tap on the country or city of your choice. Next, tap the power icon at the top to activate your VPN. Then, open the TikTok and view the content of your new location. And that's all. You can see that this method is working by going to the TikTok Discover page. TikTok isn't likely to recommend any content with a language that isn't native to your area. Fortunately, you can easily change your language in the app. Launch on the TikTok and select Me or Profile in the lower right-hand corner. And select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the language, tap on that, and select Preferred Languages and add a native language of the region you're looking for. Changing your TikTok language may not instantly correct your region problem, so you might have to utilize the following methods to get TikTok to show you that content you want to see. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.